In today's video, I show you how to integrate an API into WordPress quickly and easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple WordPress tutorials. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type WPGetAPI. This is the plugin we'll use to connect external APIs. Click Install Now, then hit Activate. Once active, head over to the plugin settings where you can enter your API details like the URL, authentication keys, and parameters. WPGetAPI makes this process simple with a clean interface and clear documentation. And that's it. With your API integrated, you can pull in real-time data, automate tasks, and unlock endless possibilities for your site. Thanks for watching. Try it out today and boost your WordPress site with APIs.